Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find a key for the keyless entry RF hub, also known. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's super important to test fuses, what you need to do if you replace the fuse and it still doesn't work, and common mistake people make when they replace fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Make sure you stay till the end, we'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. Most people will do, guys, they will open the hood. V6, V8 should be about the same. This specifically is a 2018 model, guys. They'll come right here and open the fuse box, but your RF hub keyless entry fuse is not there, it's somewhere else. Before we continue, guys, if you replace the fuse and you still have problems, in some cases on these modern cars, you need to, guys, actually go ahead, okay, and you will need to use a scanner like that. That's our favorite scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. You can check out the current price, features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, and for these modern cars you sometimes need it because some cars like that BMW there will have up to 60 different computers, guys, that you can scan. And if you replace the fuse and the keyless entry still doesn't work, okay, you might need to reset it in some cases, or you may have problems with the antennas as well. So let's explain where that fuse is now. So you will need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you will need to leave the cargo cover here, and you will get to the spare tire and the car battery you can see on this side. Now for some fuses it's even recommended all the time, guys, to disconnect the car battery before removing or replacing a fuse or relay. Otherwise you can cause damage to electrical system, module, computers, and that could be expensive to fix. On these new cars it's very important, guys, which battery terminal you will disconnect first, which battery terminal to disconnect first and which one to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to modules, computers, electronics. How we know that? We made that simple mistake on a Mercedes and it cost us $2,000 for a new computer. So right here, that's the fuse box that we have. We're going to press here, open it just like that. And once you open the fuse box, guys, we need to find that fuse now. And this fuse is known as, actually, guys, 33, fuse number 33. But before we do that, let me tell you, very important to test fuses. Why? Because sometimes you cannot clearly see if a fuse is burnt. It may seem perfectly fine, but it's a bad fuse. You put it back in, you start spending money on new antennas, keyless entry modules, things like that, and you end up just having a bad fuse, guys. You just wasted your time and money. So we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to easily test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. With that being said, now let's explain, guys, where that specific fuse is located. So we are talking about 15 amp fuse, and that will be fuse number 1, 2. If you count the big one, it's 1, 2, 3, that 15 amp fuse. Okay, you can see right here. So we'll go ahead, grab it. Okay, that seat fuse is in the way. I'll just pull it out temporarily and disconnect that one. Come on, it's a very small space here. Okay, fuse is out. If you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put, guys, a link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from. So now we get a replacement fuse. Okay, and we push it back in. Perfect. Don't forget to install the power seats fuse that we just removed, because otherwise it will not work. Close it, you're ready to go. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.